Hey y'all, it's Miss Peggy, and I got my own cooking show now. Oh boy, I'm excited. What do I do with my life? We're gonna be cooking today my special soup. Oh! So the first thing you're gonna need is a pot of water. And I will prove to you that there's water in here. Water. It's water. Now, next thing you're gonna need is your ingredientes. That's Spanish for ingredients. I'm gonna move my camera because I need room to work. I need room to do my magic. Much better. So the pot goes there. Yeah. Now, y'all children just gotta let Miss Peggy do her work, and you will have a delicious dinner on your hands. Because y'all know my cooking is magic. The first thing you're going to need is some nacho cheese popcorn seasoning. So, into the water it goes. Oh, that stuff smells nasty. Oh boy, we're going to go get the... gonna go get the next stuff. Got ourselves some Parmesan cheese. Now, I put this stuff on all my pastas. It's great on pasta. But did you know that it's great in water? I didn't either. You learn something new on this show every day. So, let's just pop this baby open and put it in with the nacho cheddar popcorn seasoning. Wonderful. What should we use next, my children? Oh, I got it. Next, you get your ketchup. Now, ketchup, you say. Well, Miss Peggy, ketchup doesn't go in water. But today it does, because we are innovators here. So, the ketchup goes in the water. Delicious. Ugh, delicious. And now, we're going to start using some less traditional items. Things that you don't always see used in cooking. Because Miss Peggy is cool and hip, and she knows how to use things that you don't normally use to cook. We're going to use some Axe body spray. I stole this from my son, Trey. Nice. Whew. Stuff is strong. Now, everyone knows that some good water needs a good aftertaste. And so, what better way to wash something down when you drink it than to use something you actually use to wash yourself? So, we got a cheese grater and a bar of soap. Oh, jeez. Here we go. Oh, yeah, it's going. Oh, yeah. Oh, boy. Oh, yeah, it's everywhere. My mom doesn't know I did that. It smells like soap now in here. Oh, jeez. I'll be right back with the next stuff. Now, y'all know that around these parts, we don't use normal stuff. We go all out with our cooking. Now, if you just give Miss Peggy a hot second, I will be right back and I will have something tasty delicious to put in our soup. Oh boy, here we go. I'm excited. I'm back, babies. And I brought us some real good stuff. First, we got that tomato sauce. Because you can't have... What in the living life is in there? We should get rid of this tomato sauce. That's nasty. That's... Ugh. Alright, back to the show. Oh, that's not normal tomato sauce. Oh, it's splashing on me. It's splashing on me. Alright, that's when we're done. That was fun. I love cooking. I just love cooking. And then this garlic cup that I stole from Papa John's. Oh boy. My basement's about to stink. Oh, it exploded on me. Oh, it smells awful. Okay. Get in there. Gotta go wipe my hands off, because we try to keep ourselves clean around here. It's on my carpet. Oh, boy. Now, where in the living life did I put my wipes? Oh, don't step in the stuff. I got napkins around here somewhere. Oh, even better. Dirty rag. Nasty, nasty, nasty stuff. I'm gonna wipe the floor up real quick. Oh, that stinks. There we go. See? Miss Peggy knows how to clean stuff up because she's a mommy. And she's gone through the pain of child labor. So she knows how to deal with stuff. Ugh. Now, we're gonna go get my favorite ingredient. That's right, children. We got ourselves some sprinkles. And y'all know Miss Peggy likes her sprinkles. Oh, I love my sprinkles. Oh, I love some sprinkles. Oh, Miss Peggy loves her sprinkles. Oh, I love my sprinkles. Let's get the yellow ones in there. Oh, yeah, the yellow sprinkles. The yellow ones. Now we get the blue ones. The blue ones are Miss Peggy's favorite sprinkles. The sprinkles. Oh, oh yeah. And then the pink ones. Oh, these ones look pretty. And I'll just put my hand in garlic. Oh, sprinkles. I gotta go put these away for safekeeping. Now, for the finale ingrediente, that's also Spanish for the final ingredients, I gotta go get the special something. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy. We got ourselves some choices in here. But I think what Miss Peggy is gonna go with is Miss Peggy got more sprinkles. They silver. Oh, that's a lot of sprinkles. Oh, shoot. Oh, yeah, sprinkles. Yes. And now, y'all already know that we gotta get someone to taste this. It ain't gonna be me, because I feel like I die. So we're gonna get my good friend, the one and the only Hugo. All right, Hugo, tell me what you think of this stuff. And that's why it's called Caesar soup. Now, if you enjoyed making the Caesar soup with me, give me a like and a subscription, because Miss Peggy is gonna, one, have to clean all this up, and then Miss Peggy is gonna have to, number two, tell Miss Peggy's parental figures why in the world the basement smells like every kind of cheese imaginable, along with soap, and why this pot is like this. So, please make this worth it. I love y'all. Bye.